guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Genesis, and for today I'm gonna be talking about the cutest rainbow palette that I have seen ever since, you know, I first started doing makeup, and it is the E.l.f. times JKISSA To The Rescue palette. It is so cute. All the shades here are named after doggies, and of course it comes with a mirror. This came out, I believe, about like maybe 2 months ago, a month and a half ago, but I believe it's still on sale on the E.l.f. website and in some Ulta stores. I'm pretty sure you can buy it online through there. I got mine at Ulta. Well, my boyfriend got it for me. He called Ulta and he was like, do you guys have this palette? And they were like, yeah, we do. And he asked if they could hold it for him, which they did, and that is how I have this beautiful palette. Of course, I created this rainbow look using this bad boy right here. So yeah, you can customize your palette with the stickers that it comes with it. Of course, the palette itself, it's just like a white canvas with just the E.l.f. times JKISSA on there. I'll probably put like a photo around here to see how it looks like when you first get the palette. And of course, I'll probably put like the packaging here and how it comes, because it is gorgeous. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows, concealed, and primed my eyelids, so I will link all of that stuff down below if you guys want to know. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild crease brush, and I'm gonna get this color right here called Casey. Then I'm gonna get this shade right here called Pepper, and I'm gonna pack it as well in the outer V part of my eyelid. The next color I'm gonna go in is this orange right here. This color is called Millie. Of course, guys, you know, I'll probably said it in the beginning of this video, but one of the main reasons why I got this palette is because of dogs. I love dogs. I grew up with doggies my whole life since I was a little baby, and you know, I have dogs now. I got a little puppy last year, which is a dog that you guys see a lot, or if you're new here, I have a puppy called Mia, and she's a pit bull terrier mix. I love her to death, and the fact that there's a palette like, you know, that has pit bulls in it, it's amazing. It's so sad because, you know, pit bulls have this, well, they have this stigma that's like, you know, they're bad dogs, they attack, all this stuff, and it's like, that's not true. It's how you raise them to be. You know, it's up to the owners. And I mean, yeah, I do believe that sometimes dogs are naturally, they grow up to be aggressive, but at the same time, I feel like that's the owner's fault. You know, if your dog is showing signs of aggression, you know, take it to the vet. You know, sometimes it might be because you don't neuter or spay your dogs. I have a little Chihuahua that is not spayed, and she's a little aggressive little thing. I'm so scared to walk that little thing because she will literally attack people. If she sees someone running around a bike, she just like growls at them, and she just like tries barking. It's horrible, and it's even worse whenever she sees another dog, because my little Chihuahua that's like this big and weighs like 10 pounds is very dominant. She wants to be the only one there. But it's weird because my pit bull that's only 1 year old, she loves people, she loves kids, she loves other dogs. Before this whole pandemic started happening, we would take her to the doggy parks, and she loved it. She would just like be so happy running around with other dogs, and it was just like so cute. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade that is right here. It's called Yosemite. I go in with this green right here called Peaky. And I'm gonna go in with this fluffy crease brush. I'm just gonna blend everything, not everything, but just gonna like make everything more blended. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do all my foundation and all that stuff. I don't want to show it on camera just because of, like, you know, time, but I will be right back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade Peaky again. I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna put it sort of like in my inner corner again, kind of like dragging it down. And then I'm going to move on with the blue shade called Cannon. I'm gonna go ahead and get the purple shade right here called Sadie. And wait, hold on. I think I'm gonna mix these two colors right here. This is called Pretty Girl, and then Sadie over here. So I'm gonna get a brush like this, and I'm gonna go in with the purple one first, and this one is called Confetti. I'm gonna use this blue one right here. This one's called Bailey. And then taking this brush right here, has a little bit of green on there. I'm gonna take the shade called Regan. I can't pronounce it, I'm so sorry. I wanna take this green shimmer right here and I'm gonna put it where the green was at. And then using this brush right here, I'm gonna take this yellow shimmer color right here called Firefly. And I'm just gonna put that like in my inner corner. Using the same brush, I'm gonna use this body and face shimmer glow from E.l.f. This is from their E.l.f. Retrodized Paradise collection, something like that. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna put it in the inner corners again, and of course in my upper eyebrow right here to look for that highlight. For lashes, I'm gonna try these E.l.f. lashes right here, and these are in the style Winged and Polished. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Makeup Proof eyeliner right here. And you guys, this is so good. If you have very watery eyelids and you struggle to, you know, apply eyeliner because your eyes just get so watery, this is so good. It's like $1, it's like $2, and it's so creamy, you guys. Like, it goes on smoothly. Like, I 100% recommend this Wet n Wild Makeup Proof eyeliner. This is from Essence, and you guys, this is so good. Again, very creamy, very easy to apply. For lipstick, I'm gonna apply this Mega Last Liquid Catsuit. This is from Wet n Wild, and I got it on sale at Target for like $1.40. I kind of want to do like a little bit more color. I'm gonna use this gloss from the E.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. This is in the gloss called Electric Lemonade. Yeah, you guys, I think I need more color. I'm not liking this. And I found the perfect gloss. This is from Pat McGrath. This lip gloss right here. I'm using the shade Heavy Petal. and it's just this cute, like, everyday type of, you know, lipstick, I mean lip gloss that you could wear. It's so beautiful, you guys. Like, I freaking love this thing. But yeah, guys, this is it for this look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you can, get your hands on this E.l.f. JKISSA palette, because I feel like not a lot of people talked about it. I know a YouTuber called Robert Welsh that I watch, which you guys should also go ahead and see, and another YouTuber called Juicy Jazz reviewed it, and it's just an amazing palette. The colors are amazing. It's, you know, it's a great palette for beginners because it's so easy to blend too, of course. But yeah, that is it for this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.